need water because it makes the world go round.
We need water to live.
We need water because every day, in every way, we all use water.
We need water because that's a sentence people can finish in many ways. In the summer, we need water because it helps keep our lawns green when the weather is hot and dry. We've come to Issaquah to visit Paula with Cascade Water Alliance. She's going to show us a simple way to conserve water and maintain a green lawn. Hi Paula.
Hi Annie.
You know how to keep your lawn green while using less water. How do you do that?
Well, first I want to talk about the dangers of overwatering. It's actually bad for your lawn. Too much water invites disease, and it trains the roots to be shallow so they don't dig deep for the water. It makes your lawn lazy.
Well, how do you know when you're overwatering?
Oh, that's easy. Let me show you.
Okay.
This is a rain gauge.
What does it do?
Well, it shows you how much rain your lawn is getting. If there's less than an inch of water in your gauge for a week during the hottest part of the summer, it's time to water. If there's an inch or more, don't water. I like to place my rain gauge where it's really easy to see. So make sure you check it on the same day of every week.
Paula, where can I get a rain gauge?
Well, here's the best part. They're free from Cascade Water Alliance.
Anything else we need to know?
Yes, water early in the morning or evening and stop if you see water running off the lawn.
Who knew that you could hurt your lawn by overwatering it? A rain gauge is a simple way to conserve water and maintain a beautiful lawn. To order one, go to cascadewater.org. See you next time.